Good morning, garden family. It is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful morning. The sun is shining. It's a little cool for my liking, but I'm pretty sure for some of you who are in the colder regions of the country or the world, 51 degrees with a little breeze is beautiful to you. But I just want to take advantage of this light and just do a brief check and come out to do a review of my citrus trees. Now, I had made a video a few months ago, and it was several people, please forgive me, who asked me had I trimmed the suckers on my citrus tree, and they said the one in the blue pot. But as you can see, all of them are blue, some variations. So I'm assuming it's this one right here. This one has a few suckers on the end and it is not blooming. I don't know how long I've had this one. Most of them I had at least 2 to 3 years, but I don't see any blooms or anything on it. But for the most part it looks okay. The leaves are a little yellow, probably because we had some dry spells. I did water it, or water all of them, about maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, the last fertilization I think I'm gonna do for the season. But hopefully I'll be able to get to that and get some of those suckers off. But I really appreciate all the advice from everybody, and I'm pretty sure this is probably the one plant that everyone was speaking about. Now this plant over here is doing phenomenal. This is my, I guess now I figured out it's the Kalamunda. And growing up we call these bittersweets. So if you've never had a Kalamunda, it's a small, the fruit itself is pretty tart, but the skin is sweet. So I'm getting a lot of those, and I have been eating some. And just within the time that we've gotten a little chill in the air, they have been turning more yellow. So I will come through and pick the yellow ones out, maybe squeeze some of the juice and probably freeze them in ice cubes, and you can, make lemonade, put it in tea or whatever the case may be if you like lemon in your tea. So this is something new, and again, I think I've had this one probably 2 to 3 years, and they're just bearing fruit. So I'm happy about that, and there are so many on there. Just to give you guys a view, I don't know if you can see all those green ones. Yeah, I'm excited about that. And I still have some hibiscus that's trying to bloom out right there, but most likely they'll die off. So I have some more citrus trees around the front as we go around there. So my goal is, and I'm hoping, because I have been looking at citrus in the grocery store and I'm seeing things I do not like. I was going to buy a bag of oranges and it said coated with wax resin, and I'm like, what the what? Why would they do that? But apparently when I looked it up, it's to prevent bruising and to extend the shelf life. So where the fruit was coming from, I don't know. So these two are my other two citrus trees. Again, I don't know what it is. And as you can see, let me get out of the shadow. Have a bloom there. And I think that's the only bloom on that one. But I'm hoping for more, and just like the other tree, there was a little yellowing on the leaves, but for the most part it looks good. It's just morning dew on there. And then this is my other one right here. This baby right here, she is looking beautiful. Yes, she is bearing fruit. I see some of the flowers have fallen off, maybe like right on these. and we're getting little fruits. I think this one might be the lemon tree, because last year I did get one or two lemons off of one of these trees, but we had an unexpected frost. But I was able to pull that one, but it looks like it wasn't developed completely on the inside. But I am happy with this, right? Look at all those blooms, are beautiful. Look at that. And if we can just keep this production up, we'll have so much citrus. At least I'm hoping, I'm praying all is well. And we have the bees. There's a bee there. They're busy. We got a couple of them in the plants there. See those? Like they're waking up, or they're doing their job, what they're supposed to do. Got a couple sleep down there. I don't know if you can see that little one down there that's asleep. But yeah, I am so happy with the results of these citrus trees. So for those of you who suggested that I prune that citrus, the other citrus, thank you. And I believe that's what is needed, because even with this one, it has that one stalk, and I have at least one bloom on there. So that's the update on my citrus, and I'll let you know later what we got from them. But the weather is starting to cool down. This is citrus season for the year, and yeah, I'm excited about it. This is one of the things that I enjoy about growing my own food. And not only that, I'm becoming more aware of where our food is coming from and some of the things that they do to preserve it, to get their food to the masses. Guys, if you're not already doing it, please grow something. Grow what you like. Thanks for watching. Until the next video.